Imagine your teeth blowing apart like a gunshot inside your skull. In the 1800s, something horrifying swept through Europe. A mystery so strange, even doctors refused to believe it. Teeth exploding, shattering without warning. Dentists recorded blasts loud enough to echo through entire houses. For decades, no one knew the cause. Priests blamed curses, doctors blamed madness, but the victims, they knew the fear. Today we know the truth. Metal fillings, trapped gases, and acid built pressure until the tooth became a grenade. But those who lived through it never forgot the sound of their own teeth exploding.